Hey guys, and welcome back to another Clean with me. This time I'm sharing with you my weekend cleaning diary. If you're in need of some weekend or even weekday cleaning motivation, then hopefully this will get you inspired. So Saturday I didn't have a lot of spare time to clean, but I wanted to at least tidy up the kitchen and make this my priority. I always feel like the kitchen is the place I focus on and start with first if I have a lot of cleaning to do, as for me it's the hub of the house. In the kitchen, I use my quick cleaning routine, and if you haven't seen this video where I break it down room by room, I'll link that down below if you want to go and check that out. So in here, I just washed and dried up and just wiped down all the surfaces with my Method Daily Kitchen Spray. Before I finish the washing up, I actually wanted to show you these new straws that I got. So I've stopped buying plastic straws now because they're not recyclable, but I have purchased this set. I think there's 8 here of metal straws. So you get 4 straight straws and then 4 slightly bent straws. And then you get these 2 cleaner brushes as well to clean them out with, which are so handy. And I got this pack off Amazon. They were under £10, and these are just really useful because you can use them time and time again. And also I've noticed in restaurants that a lot of places have stopped giving out plastic straws. So there's enough here for you to sort of keep one in your bag if you like to use a straw when you're drinking. So I'll pop the link down below for these straws. Next, on to Sunday, and the first thing I tackled in the morning is a load of washing. I always like to put a load on first thing in the morning, just so that can be going while I'm cleaning around. Then it was on to watering my plants. Now, I'm no plant expert, so I don't have any plant tips, but what I do is water them every couple of days, and I also use a spray bottle filled with water just to spritz down the leaves. My next task was wading through my ever-growing ironing pile. I think I've said this before, that I really have to be in the mood for ironing, and usually that is on a Sunday morning. Also, if you have any quicker tips on ironing duvet covers, then please do let me know in the comments down below, as I always find that I leave this and also Ben shirts till last, as both of them are not my favourite thing to iron. Lastly, I just wanted to give my office a quick clean, so I just tidied away all the things I'd left out, as well as wiped down all the main surface areas quickly and give it a bit of a hoover. I have updated a few things in my office, but as I mentioned before, I will be doing a whole dedicated video to this when I come to redecorate this room. Also, I haven't forgotten about my essential oils video that you guys requested. If you can see, I have my diffuser going in the background. I have a really nice blend that I use within the office that makes me feel sort of energized and motivated. So I will definitely be sharing all the details about how I use essential oils around the house in an up and coming video. Last but not least, I wanted to give my makeup brushes a quick clean. Now these days I just use an all natural bar of soap to clean them with, which I know one of my viewers, Tracy, says she uses a bar of soap too, as I do find it cleans the makeup brushes and also sponges a lot better and quicker too. And I just use this little pink tool. It's actually from Primark. It's a facial cleansing brush, and I just sort of swirl my brushes around that, and I find it helps deep clean them as well. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this motivated you to do some quick cleaning or a bit longer cleaning routine. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video now. Give this one a big thumbs up if you did find it inspired you to clean today. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.